Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Toni and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids, and I thought my 4 kids were going to be in the video today, but they don't want to be. So we are having kind of a sick day at home because mom's sick and dad's sick and we're all kind of sick. So the cool part is a lot of you guys have been praying for me because I had kidney stone surgery last week and then I got sick afterwards on top of everything, whatever. Thank you guys for praying. I appreciate it. And we're on the mend. We're hopefully getting better. But knowing that, I felt bad that my kids had had kind of a lame week with neither of their parents driving and blah, blah, blah. So I ordered something cool and I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. And I was gonna have them be in the video and open it with me, but they don't wanna be. So they're right there, and there watching. So say hi, guys. Hi. Okay, so if you wanna see what we got from christianbook.com, then stay tuned. I'm gonna put my glasses on here. So here is the deal. Oh, I thought like a bird just flew by me. I saw it on the screen. It looked like a bird or something flew by me.
So here is the deal.
Anyway, so here's the deal. I didn't even tell them. They don't even know what we're doing. On Christian Book, I was looking on there the other day because I was ordering some curriculum for next year because they were having a sale. And then I noticed that they had this really cool option where you can get a surprise box. I've never done this before. I've seen people get like mystery boxes from different things, and that's what this is. So they had a mystery box. This one, now I'm not sure, I actually ordered 2, and I don't know if this is both of them inside of here or if this is just one of them, so I guess we'll find out. But they had 2 different kinds of mystery boxes. One was valued at $179 and it was $9.99. And then the other one was valued at I don't remember, $80 or something, and it was $9.99. So I thought it would just be fun, and so we're gonna see what's inside of this. So, does that sound good? Yeah. Isn't that fun? Uh-huh. So, I don't know if this will be 2 boxes inside of here or if it'll be 1, but it kind of reminded me of when we were stuck in quarantine in 2020, and that was when I don't know if that was when I first got thrift books, but, okay, anyway. But I got them some stuff and it was fun getting mail, you know, when you can't go anywhere. Okay, let me explain what I've got here. In this box, I actually have both of the boxes that I ordered. There's 2 different options. I ordered 1 fiction mystery box and I ordered 1 children's surprise box, and both of them got put together in this one big box. Now, it's called christianbook.com, so I probably should have known it would be books, but they do sell Bible highlighters and pens and I don't know, random stuff. So I kind of thought the children's box would be more random toys or pens or I don't know. I wasn't sure what it was, but it's books. So books and books. So I got 2 boxes in one. So what you'll see in this video is this one big box, and it was supposed to be 10 volumes is what it said. And I think I counted 21 or 22. So I think I got an extra 1 or 2 books in there, but that's what you get. $9.99 is about 10 books, and then $9.99 is about 10 books. So I got 21, 22 books for $20. Does that make sense? So about $1 a book, which is still amazing. But I was confused when I did this video, so I wasn't exactly sure if this was everything or if I was gonna be getting another box. Does everybody understand what I'm talking about? Okay, I hope this helped clear it up, and I hope this is not super confusing. But now we're gonna peek inside the box, and I'm gonna show you what I got, because it's awesome. Let's go. Okay, so it's a mystery book box. So some of my kids will be excited about it. Some of them may not be. So this is supposed to be $179 worth of books. Okay, so let's see. The first one, and I have no idea what these will be, so we'll see. The first one is The Trinity, Little Seminary's Guide to the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's cool. And I don't know if these will be all different ages. That's kind of neat, yeah. Just a practical way of teaching about the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's cool. Okay, maybe Jonah. Okay, the second one is oh great. They're gonna love this one. The Greatest of All Time Clean Jokes for Kids. Do your kids love joke books? That's fun.
Dad will like that.
Oh yeah, Dad loves. Do your husband's dad joke books or dad jokes? He's always telling us dad jokes. Yeah, and it's got a little llama on the front with sunglasses on. That's cute. Ooh, another one, which I think we have this one, but this is the Left Behind the kids. This is book 10 of the Left Behind series. We have the whole series, so we probably already have this, so maybe we'll give this to a friend or something. Okay.
We'll keep this so yeah.
Ooh, these are good. This is the Imagine. Have you guys seen these? It's like imagine if you were in this time period, and this is the Tower Rising, so the Tower of Babel. That is fun. Yeah. That's super cool. Has anybody read this? You read this one?
No, I read this.
But some of those Imagine ones? That's cool. That's a fun one. Oh, the first Easter ever. This is one Jonah could read. And we are about to have Easter here in a couple weeks. Look at that. That's cool. So that's fun that it's like some kid books, some real little. Facing the Dawn by Cynthia Rucchetti or something. I don't know what her name is. It says an emotional roller coaster of loss, faith, hope, and redemption. I couldn't stop reading. Cool. So that might be a mom book or maybe Sienna. Fun. Okay. I haven't heard of that author before. Stories That Bind Us by Susie Finkbeiner.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, it's like bumpy. The cover's bumpy. That's cool. Rediscover the power of story to open doors of our hearts. That's fun. That's a pretty book. Okay. Ooh, this one looks good. Kings Falling, the Book of the Wars, Book 2 by Ronnie Kendig. That looks cool. As the race for the Book of the Wars escalates, the world teeters on the brink. Cool. That looks fun. That looks like a cool, like, adventure, maybe. Well, this is probably like fantasy because it's talking about Armageddon and stuff. So it's like future, but Bible. That sounds neat. Okay. I have never read a book by Wanda Brunstetter, but I see her books all the time. Have you ever read one of hers, Sienna? No? So this is called The Restoration. So she writes Amish books. But that looks cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Fun. Here's my receipt. Mind of Her Own by Diana Leisure Brandmeier. So this says if only she could cook like Emerald, she might have a chance to win back her husband's love, or at least his presence at the table. So it's fiction, Christian romance. That's cool. That looks like a fun one. Okay. This one is Something Worth Doing by Jane Kirkpatrick. And that says, some things are worth doing even when the cost is great. So this looks like a historical fiction. Yeah. Takes place in 1853. A 19-year-old school teacher in the Oregon Trail, Abigail Scott, when she married Ben Dunaway. Marriage meant giving up on teaching, but Abigail always believed she was meant to be more than a good wife and mother, blah, 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 blah. Sounds cool. Oh, based on a true story. That's cool. Okay. Historical fiction. Neato Toledo. Ooh, this one looks like, just by the cover. Oh, I just got a book by Mike Osso.
Yeah.
I just got one the other day. Mike Del Osso. This is called Centralia. Things Are Not What They Seem. This says, with mind-bending twists and tangled truths, Centralia is one killer story. If you're a born addict like me, you can't afford to miss this novel. Like Born Identity and all those. I love those. Yeah, the one I almost started it the other day, but I didn't because my vision was messed up, so I couldn't read. That's cool. This one is The Lines Between Us by Amy Lynn Green. And this says, a World War II novel of courage and conviction based on the true experience of the men who fought fires as conscientious objectors and the women who fought prejudice to serve in the Women's Army Corps. So that's like a historical fiction. I don't read a lot of historical fiction, but I feel like I would like it. That sounds kind of cool. The Lines Between Us. That's pretty. Can you guys see that it's like the lines? Can you see that the lines are like shimmery?
Yeah.
It's kind of neat. Can you guys see that? Ooh, this is a big one. The Darker Road, The Wandering, Book 1 by L.B. Graham. That's like a huge book. Let's see. This is historical fiction also, it looks like. Fiction, Christian fantasy. Let's see what it says. It says, the heart of Lewis and the world building of Tolkien dwell richly in the works of L.B. Graham. Prepare yourself for high fantasy charged with suspense and intrigue if you dare to take the first step down the darker road. Cool. It's a big book. Clearly. I don't even know what the other one is. The other one was, so the other box was like a surprise box. Like, I don't know what's going to be in it at all. This one was books. So, anyway, sounds cool. I don't know when. It should be here soon. So the next one is called The Song. I think this is a movie by Chris Fabry. Yeah, it says based on the motion picture screenplay. So Chris Fabry is a guy on the radio. That's cool. I've heard of that, but I've never read the book. Have you guys read this book? No. The Song? Yeah. That's cool. Okay. Oh, I see one that Jonah might like. This is called The Great Farmpalooza. Look at that cute board book. Jonah, you could totally read this to me. That's nice. Fancy. Okay, then we have My Breakfast with Jesus, Worshiping God Around the World. Ooh, that's cool. That like would go along with our geography study we've been doing this year. Look at all the pictures. That is fun. I hadn't really thought about there being kids' books in here, like children's books. That's fun. That looks like a neat one, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh man, another one I think Jonah's gonna love. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Bible Man Coloring and Activity Book. Look at that guy. Your Uncle Jesse used to dress up as Bible Man. He's like a superhero, but for the Bible. That's cool. That's kind of fun. Then we got Far From Home, A Story of Loss, Refuge, and Hope. With a cute little bunny on the front. That's cute. Follow a boy and his family as they say goodbye to their home and travel to a new land and a new life far away from all that they know and love. Aww. Huh?
Is it easy to read?
Let's see. See if it's easy to read. Yeah, Jonah, I think you could definitely read this with some help. That's cool. Fun. Okay, we've got a couple more.
Do you keep these books?
We get to keep all these books. Like, this was an amazing deal for $9.99.
Yeah.
We're not even done. This is called We Choose You, a book about adoption, family, and forever love. Aw, that's really cool. A book about adoption. Yeah, that's neat. Very cool. These are like such nice books. Okay, and then the last one. Is that the same one?
Yeah.
The restoration. That's hilarious that they sent us two of those. So we got another one. So maybe me and Sienna will speed read these at the same time or something, or we'll give one to somebody. So that's the restoration. Very cool. We only got 2 duplicates. They sent me some catalogs. So I think that was a good deal. Do you guys think that was a good deal? Yeah. Wasn't that fun? Did everybody see something that they'd want to read? Yeah. So for $9.99, check that out. See, it's just on like, it's if you go on christianbook.com and then you go down the bargain. There's like a bargain tab, and I clicked on that, and then there's something that said like 80 or 90% off. And then if you go in there, it said like mystery book box was, and it was like $179, and it was only $9.99. So I figured it was probably worth it because I mean, easily, like you could go to Barnes and Noble and get this for $10. And we just got, let's count how many we got. 1. So we got 21 books for $9.99. No, did I count that right? 21, I think. 21, and one of them was a repeat. But other than that, I think that's a great deal. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye.